Okay. Surely we don't need the hammer anymore, right?
I don't think so. Oh no.
Oh no. I get to keep this? No. That seemed ominous. You think that ends the game?
It might.
And we don't get...
Of course it won't fucking light up. Is there something in front of that chair? Or is that just a spot? No, the other chair. That was just a spot. So let's come back here.
Do we do it, or do we try to make seat? Because I feel like that might end the game.
I feel like that might end the game too.
Hold on. Let's... So the main level of the house is going to be...
Didn't say, I know where the bookcases are in the living room. Or those shouldn't be hard to find.
Let's just check quickly and see which ones we got.
You got
negligence and prison.
And then you got the one.
And then I got this one in here.
It's in the player.
Oh. Pride. So let's just store this.
We never found a use for that hot chocolate either.
We didn't know.
You know something silly? Because I think we could have technically gotten that during the part of the Dolores' chapter where you put it in her tea, maybe.
They just turned the lights out on me.
Yeah. You hear me? So I wonder if you could have put that in the tea and changed something in that chapter, but I don't know. I don't think that would be possible. No, I said it was on a bookcase, bud.
They don't say that. We gotta act like we stumble upon it and then Google it. Stupid ass. Oh, is that a frame? Oh, no, that's the...
Didn't say. We beat the main stuff now. I think we're... Oh, they turn off the light on you again. Honestly, I think we should just... You know, Easter egg hunt now.
Yeah, I agree.
It said it was on a bookcase, so we need to find a bookcase, bud. There ain't no bookcases in here.
That's what I'm saying.
So,
get out of here. It said in the living room.
The fuck was that? Oh, it was a beer can. Oh, that's the other living room.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, we're silly. We're kind of fucking idiots. We're kind of stupid. So it's a VHS. Oh, right there.
Affliction. Got it.
Darkness imprisoning me.
Yeah, see, I don't think I want to go back to that gun. I feel like that's going to kill myself and end the game.
Maybe it makes like a new game plus or something like that. Because I wonder if that's how you can go back and replay the chapters. Because I think in Dolores' chapter, we definitely missed something with those flower petals. Because I know for a fact we didn't get them all because you missed the one right at the end of it. So I wonder if that's...
Okay.
The fuck is that noise?
I need to turn that on. I really need to watch this video though. I wish they'd stop doing that. Where's that?
That's the mirror room.
That's the mirror room, okay.
Oh, I bet it unlocks that jammed door that's in there. Because we haven't had access to that yet.
Yep. Is that all we needed?
So maybe let's wait for the next one. I think it may have restarted, but yeah. Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, guaranteed.
No.
Yeah, this is definitely it. Try. Oh, could you interact with something?
Candles.
Oh, something's happening.
Thanks.
You gonna interact with it?
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Just put a question mark there.
Okay. Well. Oh, I didn't even notice that. So maybe walk laps around that place. It's definitely in the mirror room right there. That's what it was showing.
Do I need to break that sledgehammer?
No. Try walking down the hall, see if something changed there.
Oh, they turned the light off in here. No, they didn't.
This hallway. Oh,
What was that?
they broke the light bulb. You got a replacement in your pocket
Which light bulb?
right above you in the hall. Yep.
This one?
Yep, 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 yep. There you go. What can we do with the blood stain?
We can hit it with a sledgehammer.
Yeah, it looks kind of like it's cracked on the top.
Let's go grab the hammer. Don't do it.
What?
Stupid radio turns on every time I walk by it. This is the most used item in the game, I swear.
Yeah, it do be like that.
Crowbar gets no love. Told you. Shut up.
I like how you just wasted that lighter.
Still good. Yeah, I don't think this is right.
Maybe check the garage, because that's the wall that's like, well, that's the area it's coming from.
And the rest of the like the rest of the video is obviously showing what, like, where we'll go, right?
Yeah. Maybe there's other spots like this in the house we need to find. It'll open the door.
Let's go upstairs.
Oh, look, 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 look. In the hallway, on the roof. The hallway you just came from.
Oh.
Okay, so that's 2 that we found.
Was that there before?
Oh, no.
I just keep doing laps. Still jammed.
I don't think it's laps. Cause they go upstairs. You haven't turned the lights on upstairs either.
bedroom.
Oh, that's all
the
Dolores'
cassette's tape. Okay. Feels like there's more light with the light off of the moon. I don't like that wardrobe.
Oh yeah, we never found a key for the safe.
We didn't. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, so there is going to be these spots all over.
What the fuck did I do with shower got one in there? No. Your lighter's out pretty much.
Yeah, it won't let me put it away when it gives me the warning.
Maybe downstairs now?
Is that a broken key?
Yeah, that's a lot of broken keys. May imply that somebody's tried to get out, but they kept
This wasn't there before.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and go to this area, I guess. Check the kitchen. Was this cage always there?
I don't think it was. Oh, another one. Okay, the lights.
Nothing here.
Turn the lights on anyway.
Is there lights in here?
Yeah. Okay, the only place we haven't checked over is over here.
We haven't checked the basement.
Yeah.
Just check the progress room because we're here already.